Hello designers, welcome to a journey of discovery. Today let's uncover the magic behind every beautiful handbag, those coveted accessories that adorn our lives. We're going to delve deep into the artistry and dedication that transforms raw materials into objects of desire. We admire them in store windows, displayed like jewels, catching our eye with their elegance and style. But rarely do we stop to think about their journey, the intricate process and the passionate individuals behind their creation. Each handbag is the result of creativity, a vision brought to life through careful planning and innovative design. It all starts with an idea, a sketch, a dream. It requires immense skill, honed over years of practice, and meticulous craftsmanship, paying attention to every detail, no matter how small. Behind every stitch is a story of dedication, hours of focused work, a commitment to perfection. It's the story of artisans who transform sketches, those initial concepts and raw materials, carefully selected for their quality and beauty, into functional art, pieces that are both beautiful and practical, enhancing our daily lives. Understanding this process is essential for any aspiring designer. It provides a foundation for innovation and appreciation. It's not just about making a product, it's about understanding the soul of the craft. It's about honoring a tradition of excellence passed down through generations of skilled artisans. We'll walk through each step, from the selection of the finest leathers, from the first spark of inspiration to the final polish, the last touch that brings the handbag to life. This is where fashion truly comes alive, where ideas take shape and dreams become reality. Not on the runway, with flashing lights and fanfare, but at the workbench in the quiet concentration of the artisan. Let's go behind the scenes, away from the glamour and into the heart of the workshop, and see how a simple drawing, a two-dimensional idea, becomes a three-dimensional masterpiece, a tangible expression of artistry. By the end, you'll never look at a handbag the same way again. You'll understand the dedication, the skill and the passion that goes into each and every creation. You'll see the story, the effort and the love in every piece, appreciating the true value of handcrafted luxury. Now, let's begin this fascinating exploration. Every handbag starts with an idea, a spark of creativity that ignites the entire design process. It begins as a whisper, a fleeting image, a sense of what could be, a vision in a designer's mind. It's a mental blueprint, a concept taking shape in the realm of imagination, waiting to be translated into reality. Inspiration can come from anywhere, from the most unexpected corners of life. A vintage car with its elegant lines and timeless appeal. A sunset, painting the sky with vibrant hues and inspiring a palette of colors, or a song, its rhythm and melody influencing the flow and form of the design. The designer considers the future owner, her lifestyle, her needs, her aspirations. What does she need? Where is she going? What will make her life easier and more stylish? These are the questions that guide the design process. Sketching begins. The initial exploration of shapes, sizes and features. Dozens of quick drawings exploring every angle and detail. Each sketch is a step closer to the final design, a process of elimination and refinement. Proportions, the key to visual harmony and balance. Handles, designed for comfort and style. Straps, carefully considered for length, width and attachment points. And pockets are all refined on paper. Every element is meticulously planned and perfected. From rough sketches, a precise technical drawing emerges, the culmination of the design process, complete with measurements and specifications. This is the language of manufacturing, ensuring accuracy and consistency. This blueprint guides the entire process, ensuring nothing is left to chance. It's the roadmap for bringing the design to life. Before using real materials, a prototype is made from inexpensive fabric. This allows for experimentation and refinement without the risk of wasting valuable resources. This three-dimensional mock-up reveals any design flaws. It's a critical step in ensuring the final product meets the highest standards of quality and functionality. Adjustments are made until the shape and function are perfect. It's a process of continuous improvement driven by a commitment to excellence. It's the last chance to fix issues before moving to final materials. This final review ensures that every detail is just right. The process is one of discovery, refinement and problem solving. It's a journey of creativity and innovation. Only when the prototype is flawless does the real work begin. The stage is set for bringing the design to life in its final form. Every great bag starts with a great plan. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. Make it work. Let's move to the next step. The journey from concept to creation is about to begin. With the design set, the next crucial step is material selection. This is where the bag begins to take on its physical form, moving from a concept to something tangible. Material selection gives the bag its character, its feel, and ultimately its appeal. The choice of material dictates not only the aesthetic, but also the functionality and longevity of the final product. Leather is a classic choice, a timeless material that exudes luxury and sophistication. It's been used for centuries in crafting high-quality goods. Full grain for luxury, offering the most natural look and feel, showcasing the hide's unique markings and character. Top grain for durability, providing a smoother surface and increased resistance to wear and tear, ideal for everyday use. Suede for softness, lending a velvety touch and a more casual, relaxed aesthetic to the bag. Patent for shine, offering a glossy, eye-catching finish that adds a touch of glamour and sophistication. The designer meticulously inspects hides, carefully evaluating each piece to ensure it meets the required standards. This involves a keen eye for color consistency, a discerning touch to assess texture, and a thorough examination for any imperfections that might compromise the final product. Ultimately, choosing the best for the bag's purpose, ensuring that the selected materials are perfectly suited to the design and intended use of the bag. Tanning methods, vegetable or chrome, each imparts unique characteristics to the leather. They affect the leather's feel and aging, influencing how the material will evolve and develop its patina over time. Not all bags are leather. A wide array of materials can be used to create stunning and functional designs. Canvas, denim, nylon, velvet and satin offer different looks and functions, each bringing its own unique texture, sheen, and performance characteristics to the table. The material must match the bag's design and intended use, ensuring that the chosen fabric or leather complements the overall aesthetic and can withstand the rigors of daily life. Linings matter too. They are the unsung heroes of handbag construction. Durable, light-colored fabrics like cotton or micro-suede not only protect the bag's contents but also enhance visibility inside. They make interiors practical and elegant, adding a touch of refinement to the bag's inner workings. Thread color and thickness are carefully chosen for both strength and style, ensuring that the seams are not only durable but also visually appealing. Every component, from the main body to the smallest stitch, is carefully considered, reflecting a commitment to quality and attention to detail. The right materials elevate a bag from ordinary to extraordinary, transforming it into a cherished accessory that stands the test of time. Quality starts with what you choose, laying the foundation for a bag that is both beautiful and built to last. Next, let's see how these carefully selected materials are shaped and formed into the beginnings of a beautiful handbag. Every detail matters in this intricate process. Onward. Now the pattern maker steps in fashion's architect. They translate the designer's vision into flat templates for every piece of the bag. Using heavy paper, each component, front, back, gussets, base, straps, pockets, is drawn and cut with precision. Seam allowances and alignment marks are added, ensuring perfect assembly. Even a millimeter's error can ruin the final product. The pattern is tested by assembling a prototype from these templates. Adjustments are made until every piece fits flawlessly. Only then is the master pattern approved for production. These templates guide the artisans, ensuring consistency and quality. The pattern is the blueprint for beauty and function. Without it, the bag cannot exist. Precision here sets the stage for everything that follows. Let's move to the cutting table. Cutting the chosen material is a moment of truth. There's no room for error. The cutter lays out patterns on the leather or fabric, avoiding imperfections and minimizing waste. For bespoke bags, cutting is done by hand with sharp knives, allowing for ultimate precision. For larger runs, metal dies and presses ensure every piece is identical. After cutting, edges are skived, thinned with a special machine for cleaner, flatter seams. This subtle step makes a big difference in the bag's final look and feel. Every cut and shave is deliberate, reflecting respect for the material. The process is slow, methodical and essential for quality. Skiving ensures seams are elegant, not bulky. The foundation is set for flawless assembly. The artistry is in the details. Next, the pieces come together. Let's assemble. Now, artisans transform flat pieces into a three-dimensional bag. Small components, pockets, straps, tabs are assembled first. The lining is constructed and fitted with interior pockets. Precision here ensures a perfect fit inside the leather shell. The exterior shell is built by joining gussets, panels and the base. Curves and seams require steady hands and skillful sewing. Once exterior and lining are ready, they're joined and the zipper is installed. Handles are attached with reinforced stitching for strength. The bag is turned right side out, a magical reveal. The bag finally takes shape. Now, assembly is done, but the bag's personality comes from its hardware and finishing touches. Buckles, clasps, zippers and logo plates are attached with precision. 1 millimeter off can ruin the look. Branding is embossed or foil stamped, acting as the bag's signature. Edges are painted or glazed in multiple coats, sanded between layers for a smooth, durable finish. This painstaking process is a hallmark of luxury craftsmanship. The bag is cleaned, conditioned and polished until every surface shines. Hardware is buffed and every detail is inspected. Presentation is everything. The bag must look perfect for its new owner. These final touches elevate the bag from good to exceptional. The artisan's pride is visible in every detail. The bag is almost ready for the world. One last step: quality control. Let's see how perfection is ensured. See, every bag faces a rigorous quality inspection before leaving the workshop. Inspectors check stitching, alignment, hardware and materials for any flaws. Zippers and clasps are tested, linings examined and logos scrutinized. Even the smallest imperfection means the bag is rejected or sent for repair. Only flawless bags make it to the customer. This strict process protects the brand's reputation. Quality control is the final promise to the buyer. Now the bag is ready for its journey. The final step is packaging, a crucial part of the luxury experience. The bag is stuffed with tissue to hold its shape and hardware is protected. It's placed in a soft dust bag, then into a branded box or shopping bag. Care cards and certificates of authenticity are included. Unboxing should feel like opening a gift, exciting and special. The packaging reflects the craftsmanship inside. Bags are catalogued and shipped to boutiques or customers worldwide. From idea to finished product, the journey is complete. The bag is ready to become someone's treasured companion. Carry on.